Welcome to today's talk on the intriguing topic of dietary habits and parallel evolutionary pathways. Throughout their existence, both humans and chimpanzees have shared similar dietary habits, primarily focusing on fruits, nuts, seeds, and vegetation. These natural foods provide essential nutrients and energy for their survival and growth. In both species, a significant portion of their diet consists of fruits, which are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fruits play a crucial role in human diet, as they contribute to around 40% of daily recommended calorie intake. Chimpanzees, too, consume a substantial amount of fruits, especially those found in rainforests. Nuts and seeds are another crucial component of their diet. Chimpanzees consume a variety of nuts, including acorns, pine nuts, and almonds, while humans consume a relatively smaller range of nuts, particularly almonds, cashews, and hazelnuts. The consumption of seeds is widespread among both species, as they are a rich source of energy and nutrients. Vegetation is another essential aspect of their diet, with both humans and chimpanzees engaging in a diet that mainly consists of grasses, herbs, and leaves. However, humans have a broader range of vegetables and fruits available to them, which they can consume in various dishes. Interestingly, despite their similar dietary habits, the way in which they consume these foods is quite different. Humans often rely on hunting and gathering for their food, while chimpanzees, in more recent times, have developed a more omnivorous diet, consuming a variety of plant-based foods. In conclusion, the shared dietary habits between humans and chimpanzees highlight the essential role that natural foods play in their survival and well-being. Although they consume different foods, the importance of maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet remains the same for both species.